Hey everyone, welcome back to this new lesson. In this lesson, we gonna talk about while versus during. Okay, this is very challenging topic, and these keywords are also challenging for us because when we speak English and when we communicate with other person, so I think this is very confusing for us. So if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you need to understand what's the similarities of these topics or of these keywords. Okay, so first of all, let's see similarities. So first similarity is related to time related, and next concurrent events. Okay, time related similarity is here. Both refer a time frame when something happens. While and during both refer to a time frame when something happens. This is first similarity, and next similarity is related to concurrent events. They indicate one or more actions occurs within the same time period. Okay, so here only two similarities, and while and during. Okay, so let's learn difference between during and while. Okay, so first of all, I want to talk about while. Okay, so I think you know about this is part of speech. Okay, so while is a part of speech, and the topic name is conjunction. Okay, so if you have not read this topic, so you don't worry, you can easily understand here. So first of all, you need to know while is a part of speech. That topic name is conjunction. Okay, and uses connects two clauses to show simultaneous actions. Okay, and it's a followed by a subject or a verb. This is very important difference here. Use here connect two clauses to show simultaneous actions. It is followed by a subject or a verb. But if I talk about during also is a part of speech. That topic name is preposition. I think you have heard about it. Okay, use. If I talk about uses, okay, so refer to a specific period of time is followed by a noun or noun phrase. Okay, this is very common differences here, and very major different, and you can also say these are very important difference here. First of all, both of our topic of parts of speech, and conjunction while is a part of parts of speech. That topic name is conjunction. During topic name is preposition. Okay, so here if I talk about while connects two clauses to show simultaneous actions, that is followed by a subject or verb. But if I talk about during, that is a part of speech and refer to a specific period of time, and also followed by noun in noun phrase. Okay, so let's see examples. So here example of while. First, action happening is simultaneously. Okay, action happening simultaneously. First, she is reading a book while I was cooking dinner. Okay, so both actions are simultaneously. Okay, and two actions happening at the same time. Actions happening at the same time. Next example here is related to contrasting ideas. While I like tea and I prefer I prefer coffee. Okay, shows context between liking tea or preferring coffee. But if I talk about during, first during example is related to time period. Okay, so it rained heavily during the night. It rained heavily during the night. Okay, so indicate time when the Rain occurred. During indicates the time when the rain occurred. Next, event or activity related. Okay, so the audience was silent during the speech. The audience was silent during the speech. Okay, so refer a period of speech. Refer to the period of the speech. Okay, so guys, you understand something. So first of all, you must remember while is a topic of conjunction. Okay, so during is a part of preposition topic. Okay, next, preposition refers during refers to a specific period of time and is also followed by noun or and a noun or a noun phrase. But here while is a part of conjunction, and while connects two clauses to show simultaneous action, and it is followed by a subject or verb here, followed by subject or verb, but here only a noun or noun phrase. Okay, so you guys, you understand. So let's see key difference. So here you easily understand with key. So here first of all I talk about parts of speech. Parts of speech. While is a conjunction used to connect clauses. While is a conjunction used to connect clauses. If I talk about during is a preposition used before a noun or noun phrase. Okay, while is a conjunction used to connect clauses. If I talk about during is a preposition used before noun or noun phrase. Okay, next, if I talk about structure, here while introduce a clause. While introduces a clause. Clauses means a subject and verb must follow. Clauses means a subject and verb must follow. Okay. So if I talk about during is followed by noun or noun phrase, not a clause. Okay. During followed by a noun or noun phrase, not a clause. But if I talk about while introduce a clause, subject and a verb must follow. Okay, so and here at the end, last pair, use while linked to actions. Use while linked to actions or situations happening at the same time. Okay, while linked to actions or situations happening at the same time, but during specify that something happened within a certain period of event. Within a certain period of event. Okay, so you guys understand the difference between during and while. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.